Hello people of YouTube, welcome to a new video. I have finished a journal and you know what that means? That means it's flip through time. If you are interested in a chatty flip through in which I talk about all of the pages, the ideas behind them, the techniques, how they made me feel, that kind of stuff, you can find that video over on my Patreon and the link is in the description below. This video is going to be set to music. I will just very briefly explain that this is a journal that I made according to a tutorial by the lovely Marieke Blokland. You can find her YouTube channel. I will leave a link in the description below. But now, cue the music and I hope that you enjoy the video. That was it, my Crow and Raven journal. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave me a comment and let me know which one was your favorite and why it spoke to you. Maybe you want to give them names. I haven't yet, but that seems like the type of thing one would do for such quirky birds as these. Alright, hope you're well. Thanks so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all those good things, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!